Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and to my home. I'm Eileen. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of Belletress Bellissima and Sugar Cookie with Hazelnut. Now, I can't wait to look at this wig and unbox this wig for you. I have had this wig previously, but it's been several years ago. And I do not own it any longer, so I wanted to try it again. So I picked it up from Wig Studio 1. I purchased this with my own funds, and it is in the color, like I said, Sugar Cookie with Hazelnut. So I'm excited to show this to you. This is also the hand-tied version, and the one I previously had was not hand-tied, so I've never tried the hand-tied version. This should be a lot of fun. Okay, let's talk about this unboxing. It comes in this beautiful Belletress box. Let's see. Okay. Oh, by the way, I'm wearing my Raquel Welch Play It Straight in Glazed Strawberry. Alright. Comes boxed like this. Belletress always boxes their wigs so nicely. They really do. Just take that off. It's in a hairnet. Just like this. Let's take it out. It's pretty, this color. Sugar Cookie with Hazelnut. It's in a net. Some packing. Very, very, very low density, of course. Wow, this is pretty. Oh, it's so soft. I really do like the Belletress heat-friendly fibers. I think they're so soft and beautiful. They really are. This is very lightweight. Okay, let's talk about this color. Sugar Cookie with Hazelnut. All right, it has a dark root. Then it's blended. It has all these beautiful shades of honey and golden blonde. I see some really light blonde highlights, some medium highlight blonde highlights. So it's very, very well blended. After this video, I will take this outside, make some outdoor video, and insert it at the end so you'll be able to see this color in outdoor lighting. Okay, let's try it on. Okay, let's try this on. Okay, first thing, it is very large on me. I will tell you that. I have a 21¼ inch head circumference, and this fits me large. I would definitely have to use the adjusters for this one. Wow, it's super low density. Very comfortable. Wow, this hand-tied cap. Yes, super comfortable. Very lightweight. Of course, hand-tied, so no permatease going on here. Yeah, this is nice. If you're looking for a low density bob, have a look at this one. Now, we had talked about the color. I want to show you the lace front. Very, very well done. Coverage, barely see my bow hair there. Barely see it there as well. I see the back. Okay, it has this long sweeping bang. Now my face is 9 inches from hairline to chin. This is a 7-inch bang. So the bang comes right here. And you might see how this would fit on you. So the sides are 7 to 9. It has a 2½ inch nape. The back is 7 to 9. So it has this overall length of 7 to 9, and it weighs 3.2 ounces. This is a lovely, lovely, low density style, if that's what you're looking for. Perfect for the summer. Okay, let's look at the inside of the cap. Okay, here's the inside of the cap for Belletress Bellissima Hand Tied. Beautiful mono top, parting anywhere within here, and beautiful. Look, all the way to the ear tab. Lace front all the way to the ear tab. Has some polyurethane on the ear tabs. If you needed to use a little adhesive, you could there. Extended lace nape, and it has pull adjusters. And look at the beautiful hand-tied cap, of course. And there is a little stretch here. And like I said, this fit me quite large. I definitely will need to pull this in a little. Another look at that. And then one more look at Sugar Cookie with Hazelnut. Again, I will have this in outdoor lighting to give you a better idea of how it looks out of these studio lights. Okay, we are back with Belletress Bellissima. I'm noticing that this is beginning to fall in my face a little bit. I'm not a fan of that. Also, when I put it back on after showing you the inside of the cap, I took the adjusters in. I have a much better fit. I would probably just spray this with a little hairspray. I just have a little HairUWear hairspray here. And I would probably just spray that before. Of course, you could steam this, but until then, and I want to wear this, I would just spray it right at that front, and that will just help you keep it off your face a little bit. That's temporary, of course. You would have to put some steam on this to train it to stay permanently off your face, but that's just an easy trick to do if you just want to wear it that day. Also, let's see how it looks with a little sea salt spray. Just a little to separate it. Make it a little messy, which is the way I enjoy my hair. And you don't need much, and just like I'm doing, just put your hands in it, separate the fibers. Like I said, no permatease here, so you can get a little more of a messy, casual look. I'm a fan of that. I think that makes wigs seem more natural looking when they're not so fixed. And I use this, as you know, almost daily on every wig I own. I like it with wavy styles to separate the fibers, and these straight styles, it does that as well. So that's a really nice product. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Again, I'll go outside and take some video of this color. As you know, it's hard to get the color on these indoor studio lights. I want you to see it in outdoor lighting. I'll take some photos as well and insert them. Please like and subscribe to my channel to keep this content coming. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, where I have Coffee with the Crazy Wig Lady and lots of fun things happening over there. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time.